Life as an IB student can be tough because there are just so many things you need to do. Lanterna's online courses are structured around what the IB requires of you and designed to help you improve. Working with the online courses is time-saving and effective. You log in and go to the concept you want to study. You quickly get access to videos, explanations, and examples that help you understand. You can revisit these concepts as much as you need at any time of the day, until you feel that you remember it. You can even use the course on your smartphone and take it with you when you travel. To practice using knowledge correctly, you can try out the test sections. The multiple choice questions at the end of each topic allow you to test your understanding, while past exam sections let you practice applying your knowledge to actual exam questions, and then lets you follow along as a tutor guides you through the correct answer. Using Lanterna's online course helps you understand, makes you remember, and gives you the confidence you need to apply knowledge correctly, ultimately helping you improve. So try it for free, or sign up from only 50p a day and start getting the grades you want now.